is up, everyone? I'm doing something cool today that I haven't done in a while. Well, if any of you seen my live stream, I'm not on there because I don't have Hangouts. But if I have Hangouts, it still doesn't let me. So, we just still have to... Okay, I'm going to go to a different room to discover what we have today. Well, guys, we're playing with this. Okay, let me unbox it. Dun, 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 dun. It's a BB gun. Let's go outside and shoot some stuff with it. So, I said we'll teleport there. What is up, guys? We teleported to the yard. Pretty sunny day, if I don't say so myself. I'm figuring... Me? Okay, I'm gonna figure out... Mate? I'm gonna figure out where... Maybe? This will work, I guess. Huh? I can't see you, so I don't know if this will work. I guess that'll work. You know what? Get the gun, load it, pump it. Okay. Aim. Hit. Good hit. Okay, I'm really strong here. So this might be a little bit dangerous. Headshot. Okay. Then shoot. Aim. Shoot. Hit it. Load it. Pump it. Spin really fast. Aim. Hit it like a boss. Okay. Watch this, guys. Wait, I'm gonna get a new bottle. Okay. Guys, remember this from the water bottle challenge? Oh, I just shot a bullet by accident. We're gonna put this right here. Right there. See if I can shoot it. I don't think you guys can see it. But you'll hear it. Of course you will. Cover your ears, everyone. I'm just kidding. No, don't. But if it's loud in the video, I'll cut it out. Maybe. Woo! Take that, you bottle. So weird. Didn't do anything to it. Woo! There. Let me show you the damage, guys. I don't think you can see. Windy outside. Let's teleport back to the table. Okay, we certainly did lots of damage with all of those shots. Okay, we got one in the center middle. Literally, we just have one like right here. Right there. Right where the water is coming out. That's water. One on the top, I don't know how that happened. It's on the top. Can we still flip it? I guess too much water came out. Well, that's not surprising. We have 2 BB gun bullets. Okay, we lost those. I have no idea where that was with. Do you think we need this? No, I don't need this anymore. Okay. Let's wait. I can just set you guys right here. Can you guys see that good? There. Okay. See this? This will be me shooting it. Goodbye, bottle. And I'm gonna bring lots of pressure to you. Lay down. Woo! Okay. We look like a monster, don't we? Okay. I think we hit it dead on middle. Or dead on under the middle. Look. Look at the bottom. We don't need this anymore, I guess. Okay. Let's get back to shooting, I guess. Can you guys see properly? Okay, I don't know where to freaking put you. Oh, dang it. Dang it. I dropped that. Let's put that back on here. Don't stop. I should have known that, for sure. Okay, guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. Right here, I'm so sorry, but this has been a long video. So let's see if we can end this. Epic stunt. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.